and welcome back to my channel. I've got like 15 minutes to film this video and my battery is going to die, so I actually need to film it faster. Also, sorry about this, my weird-ish lighting. Like, it's kind of okay, but it's also kind of to like one side because there's like a window right here. But we are where we are. I just wanted to film this so I can get this stuff put up. This video is everything I crocheted this week, so I'm going to show you everything I crocheted this week. My next market, because now I have one on the books, is June 14th, I think. That sounds right. Yeah. I don't even like remember like the point of the market or whatever, because sometimes they have themes. I don't remember if this one had a theme. But Rebecca's doing it, so I'm going to do it, and I'm going to hope for the best on that one, because I've never done a market in June. Usually I stop by end April, early May. So yeah. But with this stuff here, and I don't remember my exact prices for everything, I am now back up to where I was like value-wise for everything I took to my last market, because I had like $3,700 in inventory. And then I sold like $700 worth if you watched the last video. And now, but with all of this, I don't think this is $700 worth of inventory. Maybe I didn't do a video of like everything I did last week, but it's only been a week since. I don't know. But I think I'm back up to like $3,700 in inventory with this stuff is the point. Anyway, let's get started. I've made 10 turtles. Oh yeah, the lighting's not great. Most of them have floral shells. So that one was white, this one's blue, pink, white and pink, green and pink, yellow and pink, orange and pink, and then I have 3 solids, pink and green, blue and green, and then orange and green. So 10 turtles. I made 2 of these fun little Grim Reapers, which would have been considerably quicker if I did not make the accessories also. Well, maybe not considerably quicker, but it definitely would have shaved time. But as is, these are $48 items, even though they're not that big. But like, they're awesome, so. And actually, let me see about using this for the thumbnail. Maybe we'll do it after. Battery's gonna die. 2 Wonder Crochet turtles, also orange and blue. That's why I did these as solid colors for the mini ones, but they're cute. This cable and canvas, like mushroom frog pop situation, also pretty cool if you ask me. This frog, which I don't know that I like the eyes on, because like you could see the glue and normally you can't see the glue, but like how I did the eyes, like I don't know, I glued them in different than I normally do, and like I think it was a mistake because I could see the glue and I don't like that. Zach said it's not that bad, so we'll see. If it doesn't sell, I might just pull this out of my stock and give it to one of my kids. They get like all of my cast offs basically. 2 little goblin gremlin things. Yeah, this was like blue paw print crochet. I've got quite a few things from that pattern designer in here. I don't remember the designer for these, but these are like mini dragons. There's a dragon. That was my like girlier dragon. Then I've got this guy, and then like more traditional dragon colors. This is kind of how it looked on the pattern, and I like that. These are blue paw print crochet also, so I got 2 like this. Also kind of goblin-y. And then one like this. This is kind of like an aquatic looking goblin situation. And they also have like a little monster. So there's this guy. I've been calling him Mr. Pillow Pants. And if you get that reference, that's really funny. If you don't get that reference, probably don't Google it. But also, it's just funny. And then the last thing is this guy. He's like awesome. He's got fuzzies on his hat. I'll pick those off later. It's like a plush plague doctor. This is a $70 pattern, or not $70 pattern, $70 plushie, because like it's a pretty involved pattern. But the hat comes off, the hood comes down, the lantern comes off. I just have it like laid over the arm. This stethoscope comes off, all the things. So yeah, it's involved, but I really liked it. So, but yeah, definitely a deluxe situation.
Oh, what are you doing?
A video. Can you get out?
Come on.
Love you. He's probably my favorite thing, with the not gremlins, the Grim Reapers being my like second favorite thing out of all of my stuff this week. But yeah, that's gonna be all for this video. I will see you guys in the next one, whatever that is. I'm aiming to make more between now and my next market, because it's May. It's May 11th right now, so I've still got a month, but I wanted to at least be up to the like monetary value of everything I brought last time. But I've got more bigger items than I did before, so now I need to like yeah, I've got like more bigger items than this, so now I need to work on making more actual items, because I think I have about 20 more I need to do to be up to the same like product count as last time. So yeah, I want to get there, but I'm just not there yet. But I should be able to get there in like the next couple of weeks, and then still have a couple weeks after that till the market. So like that works, because my overall goal 1 was to at least be the same as it was for like my May market. Goal 2 is like 4,000 in inventory, and I'm at like 3,700 now. So like I think that's doable with like still about almost 5 weeks to go. But yeah, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one, and goodbye.